3 types of love you will experience in your life. Throughout our lives, we will experience 3 types of love. This is what an article in the magazine Marie Claire says and clarifies that this will happen according to the age, experience, and spirit of each one. There will be many times that you fall in love, but each of these relationships will fit perfectly into some kind of love. In addition, it is not about living these feelings with different people, but in some cases, the same couple evolves through all the ways of loving. The value of each of these phases of love is that they provide experience, emotional intelligence, and intuition, important factors to enjoy true love. 1. Idealistic love. Also known as the fairy tale. This is the kind of love we live in adolescence that we believe will last a lifetime. It is often rampant, with an excessive burden of dreams and promises. When it is over, we suffer the first disappointment of a broken heart. 2. Love by necessity. According to psychology, this type of love is characterized by doubt and the feeling of abandonment. It develops when we begin to face reality and discover, at once, the ups and downs that fall in love implies. At this moment we feel the need to be loved, so we do not stop looking for love, and many times we fall into ideals that only end up as more broken hearts. 3. Unexpected love. This form of love appears in our life unforeseen. At first, it is disconcerting, since it does not present itself as perfect and full of illusions. It is a more mature love, we accept the other as it is. Understanding, complicity, and sincerity are key pieces of this type of relationship. It is the most lasting, since you do not take it out of necessity, but you choose to share your life with a person as your own conviction. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.